everyone, it's John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers, and we're gearing up for this year's Auburn auction right here in Auburn, Indiana, the birthplace of the collector car auction business, and of course, everyone's favorite auction. We've got a tremendous lineup of cars this year, and it's a curated offering where we want to bring quality cars of interest to you as a buyer. And if you're a seller, now's the time to go ahead and reach out to us to talk about consigning your car to go along with great offerings like this one here. This is a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette L88. Obviously you see it's a convertible roadster, and it is of course equipped with the powerful 427 engine, aluminum heads, the brakes, the rock crusher 4-speed. It is powerful and it is iconic. I love the presentation in Fathom Green. This car is documented by its original tank sticker, as well as being a participant in many events and specialty Corvette events. And as we look at this, my favorite part, of course, you recognize it with the hood, but when you pop the hood and you look at this, it is a sight to behold. Cars are built to be driven, and Corvettes are built to be driven fast, and this is really, to me, what an L88 Corvette is, and its power and speed. So I invite you to come out, check this car out and lots of others like it at the Auburn auction this Labor Day weekend. We'll see you there.